Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how we can uninstall Windows PowerShell, Windows 11 and 10. So I will show you the step-by-step process. So let me start with the video. Okay, so come to the window first, and here you need to search for that Windows features. Search for that, then this window will be open. You can expand the or maximize the size of this window like this. Okay, and here just scroll down and search for Windows PowerShell, and here you can see this plus icon. Just click on it and expand that options, and you need to uncheck that both options. Okay, and just click on OK. Once you click OK, then the window PowerShell will be start to disable, and you need to restart your PC. After you restart your PC, your window PowerShell will be disabled. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.